In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply a filter to just one column here in Google Sheets. So let's say you're working on a data and you only want to filter the entire data based on just one filter, which should be applied to just one column. Here's how you can do it. In this example data, what I want to do is to just filter my region column right here. Just show either just the south sales or the west sales or the central sales. And that's all that I want to be filtered. I don't want a filter to be applied to all of my headers right here. But if I select this header right here and go to data and select create a filter, that automatically applies the filter to all of my headers. Now that's not what I want to do. I only want that filter to be applied on this column. So instead of doing that, what I'm going to do is to select my entire column. And that's by clicking on this letter right here, which is column C, which selects my entire C column, which is also my region column. After that, then I go to data and select create a filter. With those steps, I was able to only apply one filter, and that's to my region column right here. So that's how you do it with a non-formatted or a data that's not been formatted into a table or converted into a table. So let's go ahead and filter this column. If I go to the filter icon and clear out everything that's selected, select the south sales, click on OK. Now I can only see the sales from the southern region. There you have it. Now, if you were using a table, which is our next sheet right here. Now, this is the same data, just converted into a table. Now, if I wanted to filter or apply a filter to one of the columns, I won't be able to do it. If I select this, let's say my region again, then go to data and select create a filter, it will say that you can apply a filter to a range that partially intersects the table. So I click on OK. Let's say if I click on this one and select data and go to create a filter, it will again just apply a filter to the entire data. But did you know that if I undo that and I just go to this drop down right here, I can already filter the column by itself. So I don't need to apply a filter anymore. There's a built-in filter function within our pre-built tables. So if I select that, filter my column, clear that out. This time, if I select north, click on OK, there you have it. I'm only seeing the sales from the northern region right here. And there you have it. So technically, it still applies a filter to all of my data, but that's how you're going to do it with the table. No need to add a filter because there is a built-in filter within the table. And that's how you can apply a filter to just one column in your data right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.